So boom, we're about to play a game. All right, I think you guys are ready. If you haven't been practicing, it's about to show because we're about to play horse. This is how it's gonna work. Open up the kit, go to loops. And I'll wait till you get there. Go to the loops. After you go to the loops, go to rubber band. Go ahead and load that puppy up. We're gonna go to the kicks. And we're gonna go to hit that forehead kick. Put the forehead kick on pad 1. Snare. My favorite snare. We're gonna do the hop. Oh no. And for the hi-hat, we're gonna go ahead and bust down with the mink. The mink. Am I saying it right? Why am I saying it like that? Pad 3. All right. This is how the game's gonna go. I'm gonna go ahead and play a little something, and I expect you to play the same thing back in return. So my first move is gonna be this. That's the first one. Remember, I'll show you again. Pinchers. Remember the last one. That's the first one. So remember, if you need to rewind it back, rewind it back. You know what I'm saying? If you think you can move to the next one, don't move to the next one if you don't feel like you can do that one. Don't move to the next one. I'm telling you. You're only gonna cheat yourself. So, ready? That's that one right there. All right. So if you got that, let's go to the next one. All right. Next one. Like I said, if you really practice the last video, you're gonna be sharp for this one. Alright, so I'm also doing a cutoff with the stop because, you know, obviously it runs a little bit longer. Unless you have it set to poly, and I don't have it set to poly. To make it run, you need to set to poly mono, all that good stuff. But that was two. That was two. Where you at? Where you at? Okay. I'll rewind it back again so you can see that. Cause we ain't even got real yet. All right. So that's two. All right. So if you know what I'm saying, if you feel like you knocked out the first one and the second one, it's time to move to the third one. And the third one, like I said, I'm not gonna. This first month is not built because I don't want to scare anybody away. I'm like, oh, if you're not there, nah, it's nothing like that. It just took years to get. To what I'm doing. So what we're about to do is we're about to add a little snare in there for warning. So from last one, made sure I hope you guys practice. Like I said, here it goes. You know what I'm saying? Let's go. I know you guys can do that. That's 3 right there. I want you guys to practice those variations. Like I said, if you need to rewind it back, rewind it back. But like I said, that's I'm setting you guys up to be doing some nasty stuff. You know what I'm saying? That's why I can show you at the end. That's why I love showing off at the end, because it's just showing you the steps on the reason why I'm like, yo, just start with, you know. because as soon it's gonna break into it, you know. Enough of that showing off. Nah, I'm gonna show off, man. Y'all practice. I'm gonna check in with y'all next time.